Hello, awesome viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss what is K6 performance testing tool. Okay. For that, guys, just type K6 performance testing tool, load testing for performance testing. Here, click on open source. It's an open source. How to download K6. There will be many documentation available. You can go to the documentation here. It will give you Grafana K6 is an open source, developer friendly and extensive load testing tool. There are many number of features available. You can see how to set up, what are the release notes, how do I get started. You can click on getting started. If you want to set up it for Mac OS, if you want to set up it for how Windows, etc. Let us see for Mac OS. Okay, for the Mac OS, guys, you have to just use this command. Open your terminal, just type terminal here and just paste this. Click on enter. It will download all the required files for K6. And also, you might need a Git. So you can install brew install Git. Brew install Git. Click on enter. So that's it for the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.